Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 111 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, and we put some of the cool, the funny, the weird here for you and your enjoyment. So on today's episode, we are talking about what is free at Celebration Key. Ooh, that rhymed. Laundry on the ship. Coins, bills, or sailing sign card? Why did Carnival need a brand ambassador? Hand warmers on the ship? And a late riser's breakfast, but not an early riser's breakfast? Huh. All right, question one. This cruiser wants to know, what is free at Celebration Key? What can guests do on the island without incurring additional charges? They saw on the website that there will be a free meal option as well, and they wanted to know, what's free, John? John said, you will have access to the lagoon, complimentary beach chairs and umbrellas, and there is a free complimentary wonderful lunch. I don't know what section it's going to be in, but you will have lots of free stuff. I mean, the beach chairs and the umbrellas by themselves, to me, is pretty cool. Almost every port you go to sit down in a chair, and the guy or the girl behind you is going, $20.50 for an umbrella. No? You're lighting on fire. Good day. So, yeah, you get free stuff there and free food. Gonna be pretty cool. I can't wait to get there. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know, if they decided to do a load of laundry on the ship, do they need to bring a roll of quarters? Do they need to bring cash, or can you just put it on your sailing sign card? John said, if the ship has self-service laundry mats, it's going to be on your sailing sign card, and you can just charge the room. So in case you were wondering, there are a few ships that don't have self-service. It is all the Excel class ships that are out there and the Italian themed ones. So there's like six ships in the fleet that have no laundry service. So there you go. If you like to do laundry on the boat and you want to do it yourself, you can't go on those ships. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser asked, why did Carnival decide they needed a brand ambassador position, and how did John end up being chosen for the brand ambassador? John said he finished up his 20 plus years as a cruise director and wanted to spend more time with his family. When he told senior colleagues, the Beards, he was going to retire, they said they didn't want him to leave. So basically, they created him this position, which allows him the flexibility to travel to the ships and work on social media and spend more time with his family. And let me tell you, I am so glad they did. We had John as a cruise director, I believe it was twice, and he was super fun. And he does a great job doing this, hence the reason we have this whole series running based on the Yak. So yeah, I'm glad that I created that position for him. I absolutely love it. All right, question four. This cruiser wanted to know if they were allowed to bring hand warmers on board, either the rechargeable style or the disposable ones. They're going on a cruise to Alaska. It's pretty much the only place I think you're going to need them. Maybe Europe, not sure. But you're definitely going to need them there. And they want to know, is it okay, or is it going to get confiscated when they're brought on board? John said, yes, they are absolutely allowed to bring these on board. If they are plugged into the cabin, then they wouldn't be allowed. So yeah, nothing hardwired because the voltage is weird. So if they make rechargeable ones, you can get a battery pack, which I'm looking around, I thought I had one here, but I don't, and then just plug it into the battery pack to recharge them. But yes, you can bring them, and no, they cannot be plugged into a wall. All right, this is the last question, and they wanted to know why Carnival has a late riser's breakfast, but not an early riser's breakfast. These folks apparently are up 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, and it doesn't seem fair, they said, that they have to wait around till 7:30, and they don't like eating the cold continental breakfast early, which is open about a half hour earlier. John said because very, very, very few people actually get up that early. I'm one of those people that doesn't get up that early. Liz? 4:30, 5 o'clock, she's bing, hey, let's do stuff. I'm like, I'm sleeping, leave me alone. But he said they don't do it because not many people are up. If, say, they opened it at 5, they have to get crew there at 3 o'clock to start cooking and prepping and stuff like that. And there's just not enough crew to go around. So obviously, since, I mean, you go to 11, 11:30, people are still eating breakfast. It's more popular than the early risers breakfast. So there's your answer. That's been episode 111 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.